Hey guys, so today I do have a Boxycharm for the month of January 2021. Please stay tuned till the end so you guys can see what amazing products I received. So yes, guys, today I do have for you the products that I received from my Boxy for the month January 2021. Today we are going to be reviewing the base box we just retail for $25 and they do promote $125 or more total value for the box. But before we do get into those goodies, I do want to remind you guys that you can follow me on Twitter and on Instagram at AllwaySunshine. A little bit of love over there and a little bit of love over here. Also, I will be telling you some details of our current giveaway at the end of this video. So now with that being said, let's get into these babies. So as some of you guys may know, and for those of you that don't, Boxycharm does have 3 different boxes. They have their base box, which is $25. That is the one that we're going to be looking at today. They have $35 and $50 boxes, but that will be, guys, other videos. Today, we're going to be concentrated in our $25 base box for the month of January. The first product that I do want to show you guys that I received and I'm hyped for, it's Farmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This is what this baby looks like. Guys, you also know that Boxycharm does provide us with a little pamphlet describing the actual products. So let me read a little bit more about Farmacy. It says it's an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving the skin feeling greasy. This vegan cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and it has a blend of a whole bunch of nutrients known to help clear the pores and reduce the shine. As you guys see, there was a word that I am not even going to try to pronounce. So this baby does retail, guys, for $38 and it is from Farmacy Fresh Start. Let's open it. See what the product actually looks like. I'm very excited this month because most of my boxes did bring some skincare and most of them didn't bring moisturizers. This is what this baby looks like, guys. Now let's give it a little opening. Oh, it does says that it is like a hydrating gel. So it's more of a consistency of a gel than a cream. Ooh, a little bit sticky here. As you guys can see, I'm going to give it a little whiff. And it does have a little like of a minty smell to it. Now I'm going to apply a little bit here on my actual wrist and I am going to blend it in. It is a cream and you guys know, as you know my videos, I do not like giving my actual impressions of a cream, but this one I can tell you guys right now does feel like the consistency is, it started out thick, but now it's thinning out and is really rubbing into my skin. So in a future video, like I always say, I am going to give you an update on this one because I am really liking the way it was blending into my skin. Let me show you guys one last time what it actually looks like. And the product inside, it is a light green consistency. So it smells like, it looks minty. It is, again, guys, daily green. And it did retail for $38. So not a bad product to start the box off. The next product I did receive, and this is the most expensive product that the box does contain. It is the Event. And as you can see, it's a little bit translucent. So I'm going to read the name from the pamphlet. This is the Event Skincare by Face Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. That is the whole name, guys. This baby does retail for $90. Yes, 90, guys. It is infused with replenishing ingredients. It says, by Face Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents an oil face aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water face working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. So this basically is a makeup remover for $90. Now, let's not knock it till we try it. To me, I will tell you it's a little bit on the expensive side for a makeup remover, but you know what, guys? We did get this in a $25 box. And this is why sometimes these boxes to me are so worth it. If any of you guys has used these products, please leave it in the comment below. And this is one of the products that I definitely will be giving you guys an update on it, because $90 worth for you to actually come out your pocket, $90, that's a lot for a makeup remover for me. Even $50 is a lot. Guys, $20 tops. But hey, we did receive it. So next product I do want to go into, it is the Apple and Beam Glow Lip Mask. And it is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is what this baby looks like. Let's go into a little pamphlet. And it does say that this little glow lip mask boosts hydration and it glows with the protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot plus jojoba and rose ship oils that work synergetically to keep lips chapped free, smooth and plump all at once. It is made with green apple and pineapple extract to help lips get rid of unslightly dead skin cells and fine lines. Whoa, that was a very lengthy description. This baby does retail for $25. Let's give it a little open here and let's see what it looks like. This is what this baby looks like. As you guys know, it is self-explanatory. It is a lip balm. You just put it on your lips and it's supposed to, like it says, take away your dead cells and any impurities that you have in your lips. This is another product that I have not used, but I do have, I think it's a palette from this name brand, and I also have a lip oil from this name brand. Now, I could tell you the lip oil, my daughter used it because I gave it to her and she totally loved it. This one, I will try to give you guys a review, or I'll probably give this to my daughter. She will tell me what she thinks of it and I will let you guys know. But like I said, I want to tell you again, it does retail for $25 and it is Seraphine Botanicals. Next product that I did receive in this box, for being the first box of the year, it's not a bad box. It's not the greatest box, but right now it's faring up to me to the regular boxes. Now, the next product, it is from Queen. This is what it looks like, guys. These are eyeliners and they are eyeliner duos. So let's go into a little pamphlet and it says Queen Studio Dragon Duo, modern day boss babe approved. With an inky black pigmentation and a semi-proof water formula, choose your look using this Dragon Duo. You could use the Dragon liquid liner for smudge-free chemical wings, or the Dragon liner pencil for a soft look or a smoky eye. It is created for beginners, but it is loved by pros. This baby does retail for $28. Well, let's open it and see what this baby looks like. Oh my God, the packaging is so pretty. I can tell you guys, this is one and this is the other one. The first one I will be showing you, this is the liquid one. And I do want to give myself right here. That looks very pigmented. Let's let it dry a little bit. It looks really nice. And this one is for you guys that actually like doing the hooded wings. I personally myself love them. I don't do them as much because I do have to perfect my technique. So if you guys have any techniques for me, please leave them in the comment below. They will be appreciated. The other one that I did receive, and they are both black, guys. This is the Dragon pencil. And I'm also going to do the same. I am going to be doing a line. Ooh, not good. The tip came off. That happens sometimes with these. Oh, the tip totally came off, guys. Totally came off, as you can see. But let me try to at least give you what the color payout would be. Not bad. As you can see, it is a little bit rough because the point did come out, but the pigmentation is not bad at all. I'm loving the pigmentation. The two does retail for $28, so I'm guessing like what, $14 each, which is not bad for the actual duo. Now that I think it rubbed off, it dried off. Yes, guys, as you can see, I did swatch my hand over it and it did stay on. The consistency for now is good. And it did say that they were waterproof. Now let's move on to our last product that I received in this box. Excuse me, guys, real quick. I just want to rub off some of the access product of all these products that I've been trying on, because the next product, I need my fingers clean. So you guys already know that it is a palette. So yes, guys, I did receive the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. And it's olive because it's an olive green palette. I personally do have to tell you guys that this is not one of my favorite color combination of palettes. One, because to me, we're in January, spring is already coming. I would like to see more of like bright colors for the spring. But hey, they chose to send us this one. This is what the actual colors do look like. They do bring 12 shades. Some of them are, as you guys can see, shimmers, and some of them are matte. Like I said, this is more of a green, more of a hunter color. To me, I would have loved to receive this maybe like in September or October. Anyways, beggars can be choosers. If you guys like these colors, as you guys can see, please also leave them in the comment below. This is not one of my favorites, but I do want to maybe swatch some colors. Before I do want to say what it says. This palette was designed with universally flattering olives and nudes that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas from creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils. Oh, it also has foils, guys. Achieve endless eye looks from a modern soft sultry to a seductive olive smoky that I will have them green with envy. This does retail for $34. Mostly, most of the palettes do retail from, let's say, high quality, no, well, not high quality, but like regular palettes do retail from like $20 to $40. So this is like right there in the price range. As it did say, it does have foils. I did not point that out. It does have some foils for you guys. And I do want to swatch at least two colors so you guys can see. As you guys know, I love my match. So the first color, oh, and another thing, it does bring the mirror and it does have the name of the shade. So those are two plus that I do have to say about the palette. Now, I do want to actually get Endless Desire, which is this color right here. And I do want to show you guys the actual payout of the color. Not bad at all. I do also want to show you guys now Olive Me. Olive Me will be this one right here. And this is type of like one of the foil colors. Guys. As you can see, I really do like the foil does pay off. The matte also is paying off. Right now for $34 is not being bad. Nice pigmentation. What do you guys think about it? Let me show you again. It is the Olive You Forever from Violet Voss. $34. So guys, let's do a quick recap of the products that I did receive. Let's starting off with our palette. Next thing, we did receive our makeup remover from Abon, our $90 product, guys. We also did receive a moisturizer from Daily Greens. We received our glow lip mask from Seraphine Boutiques, and we also did receive our two eyeliners from Queen. So these were the products that I received from Boxy for the first month of the year. I personally am going to choose two again. And the first product that I am choosing are the actual eyeliners. Lately, I've been going crazy trying to get, like I said, my wings and my hoods going. So with these two babies, I think I'm going to get most of my practice packed down. Next product that I chose, guys, is the actual Avant remover. This baby's $90. The reason why I chose it is because I am definitely going to be using this one. I'm going to be giving you a review because, like I said, $90 is a lot of money for a makeup remover. If any of you guys use this product before, like I said, please leave in the comments below. Guys, now I wanted to tell you before I forgot. I always remind you guys to please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. This right here is the perfect opportunity for me to show you why that is so important. And also to follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. Love over there, love over here. Anyways, guys, this is why it's important. As some of you know, me and my daughter, we are both subscribed to Boxy. And this month we received both the actual exact same box. Guys, I'm going to show you. I don't know if you guys can actually see or try to zoom in. It's the same variation. So I am going to show you also. This is the variation that she received. As you can see, it's the same products. I do want you guys to choose one product that you guys would like to see in a future giveaway. So out of these 5 products that were right now in the video, choose one product that you would like to see in a future video and leave it in the comment below. The product with the most entries or the most mentions will be featured in our future giveaway. And also to remind you guys, we are a monthly giveaway channel. That is why it's so important to like, share, and subscribe. This is the link right here to our current giveaway. It is our January giveaway. There are some new rules. So go, guys, please go check it out really, really quick. My name is Kelsey. This is Always Sunshine. Lots of love to everybody. Please take care. Please leave anything that you want in the comments below for future giveaways. Lots of love. Please do not forget to check out these 2 videos.